So George is here with me. George came 10 months ago in my clinic, stage 3, with a nice hair, nice thick hair, I have to admit. So we had to replace all this area, and also the temporal peaks have been retreated. So this is the surgery that we did. This is on the 4th day after the surgery, on the 4th day we did the first hair wash. Now, while we shot the Greek video, I wet his hair, so you will see his hair wet. Which is even more challenging to create the coverage. Now, look at this. This is the new hairline, okay? Of course, it's on both sides, it's the same. And you can see the thickness that it is. All the area here is uniformly thick, including the temples that are just 10 months old. You can see there are some short hair here. It means that in the future, in the following months, it's going to be more coverage. And also you can see that the temporal peaks here have been restored nicely with very thin and fine hair. George, happy with the result?
Absolutely.
Absolutely happy. This is why you got your golden Anastasakis Hair Clinic.
Thanks a lot.
Really nice seeing you. Thank you for your interview.
You too.